Hi everyone, and welcome to Your Tech. Today we're going to talk about virtual reality. Virtual reality is an invention with an importance similar to the creation of the computer itself. If used properly, it can take technological evolution to a whole new level. But why exactly is that? How will virtual reality change how we use technology? And will it affect our everyday lives? Be sure to stick around to find out. Hello and welcome to Your Tech, where we discuss new technologies and how they'll affect the world. Today we take a look at virtual reality and all the different aspects of life it can have an impact on. Before we continue, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. Make sure to also click the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is posted. By now, probably everyone has heard about virtual reality and understands its basic concept, but the technology behind it is pretty fascinating. The reality part of it begins with the headset. The front part, which goes over the eyes, is equipped with two lenses, one for each eye. They project an image which you see in a way that is more like real life. How does that happen exactly? Well, your eyes have some space between them, so they take in two different images. If you place something small in front of your nose and switch eyes, the picture changes. You get to see the two different sides of the object. The VR headset mimics your real-life vision and projects two slightly different images onto the lenses. Those two images mimic your eyesight perfectly, so the game or interface you're experiencing through the headset looks just like real life. The other thing that the headset is equipped with is gyroscopes. Gyroscopes are sensors that track the movement of your head and help the game you are playing determine which direction you're facing. So the headset not only shows the visuals the same way you would see them in real life, but also moves the picture around whenever you move your head. This makes for a very realistic experience. Combine that with some headphones and 360-degree audio, and you get an experience that is almost indistinguishable from reality. It is so immersive the graphics of the game don't even need to be the best there are. If they somewhat look like real life, the 3D picture and the sound do the rest of the job. And suddenly, you're on a pirate ship, or swinging from a building, or fighting in a war against aliens. But VR, besides for playing games, is important for many other things. Medical specialists, for example, are starting to use VR to help patients. People who are not in their best mental state while undergoing medical procedures are equipped with VR headsets and headphones, and are shown beautiful landscapes like tropical beaches or green plains to ease their anxiety. VR is also used in nursing homes to help people with Alzheimer's and dementia. Apart from medical usage, VR is also beneficial for training. Some of the big corporations, including the military, are using virtual reality to give their trainees a more realistic idea of what real-life situations might offer them, depending on what they are doing. Military branches are using VR to help soldiers better understand combat situations. Other companies, like UPS, use virtual reality to teach drivers how to go around their routes more efficiently. But you might be asking, I'm neither a gamer, nor a soldier, or a driver. How will VR change my life? Well, as time progresses, people are starting to find all kinds of niches where VR can make an impact. Home designers and architects use VR to help their customers see the home they'll get before even the first brick is laid. This way, thousands of dollars can be saved by not building and buying unnecessary things. But even this is not the most significant thing VR is capable of. The most exciting new item on the market is a branch of virtual reality called augmented reality. And let me tell you, it's like discovering the fire all over again. Augmented reality differs slightly from virtual reality, but it's built on the same principles. AR uses a see-through screen instead of a normal one. The screen is usually fitted in a pair of glasses, projecting a picture directly in front of your eyes. The eye then picks it up as a regular image, making you feel like you're looking at a real thing. So imagine this. You are a trader and there are 6 different stocks you feel like looking at simultaneously. So what do? Do you buy 6 monitors or one pair of glasses that project the screens onto your wall? The answer here seems pretty obvious. Here's another example. An engineer wants to design a car. Which kind of interface will be better for him? A flat screen only able to show a specific part of the car, or an actual 3D car in his living room, projected through the lenses of his glasses? Yeah, thought so. And now imagine AR everywhere. It can create a difference in almost every aspect of the life of everyday people. Education, virtual assistants, healthcare, navigation, fashion, design, art, you name it. So when we say virtual reality can take the world to another level of evolution, we don't mean it lightly. It really is the game changer in the life of the modern human. Do you use VR or AR in your life? Has it made an impact on the way you view the world? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and a subscribe below. It is much appreciated. Bye-bye.